Hello everyone, this is the Panda Photographer. Welcome to the channel. What we teach here on this channel is photography, videography, and tutorials. So please do subscribe, like, and share. If you guys want to support the channel, please do. And today we're going to talk about VistaPrint. And I'm going to talk about the inconsistencies with VistaPrint. Now, I still recommend VistaPrint for printing out a lot of stuff for your business. But lately I have not been very impressed with their business cards. And the reason why I'm saying that is because there are some inconsistencies with the printing process. Let's start off with my old card, the 6x6 studio cards with Keisha on it. This card I sent to them, and you guys have seen this video before. If you look back on my YouTube channel, this was sent to them as a high-res image. And the problem with their processing is compression. They are compressing metadata, they are compressing the files, so it comes out very pixelated, as you can see here. Very pixelated. Now, I understand it's on a business card, but I've seen some business cards that had spotless perfection. These are not in spotless perfection. These were pretty much, disappointing because they didn't look good. But also, the compression was off, and they used too much blacks, as you can see in this image. So, with that said, this one here, I got about a week and a half ago from VistaPrint, and the problem with this one was that there's too much blues on his skin, and if you go to my Instagram, you look at this very same image, you'll be like, whoa, skin tones look so much better on your image. Again, compression and pixelated a little bit, but not too bad. It's detail, as you can see, but the color and the blacks they use are very off. So this one just came 2 days ago, and immediately me and another hostel staff here, a manager, noticed it right away. Too much contrast underneath the eyes. The skin tone is pinkish. You see that? So, if you go to my Instagram, you will see that this image, the skin tones are totally different. Too much dark areas here. And not only that, there's some inconsistencies with the cards. Because some cards are darker than others. Which is weird. Because we noticed it. And I was really not happy. So I went on Instagram and made a video about it, but it seems like VistaPrint did not respond this time to the video. Strange. I tagged them with it. But yeah, there's some really, really bad inconsistencies with the color tone, the printing process, but the cards still look good. It still look good. This is the back, like I said. The back. The blue's a little off here in the back. And I noticed in this image, the compression is a little bit, you can see it's kind of pixelated. And again, these are high-res images, clean. Why are they coming out pixelated? So with that said, everyone, I still recommend VistaPrint. I just want VistaPrint to know that you cannot compress people's files because you may mess up the color tone and the skin tone on these pictures, or the color tone on these pictures, because it's important to have a good presentation when talking to a client, and the client kind of knows something about color, and it says, "Why does this skin look so pinkish?" I will lose a client just because of that, VistaPrint. Now the client thinks I am not able to actually perform or edit her photos professionally because she sees this one mistake and she think I did this mistake, or that person, he may think I did this mistake. So VistaPrint, you got to get them right. We pay a premium for these cards and you didn't get it right. I still give them a 3, like I said, but still. Well, we still here in PortlandHostel. Thank you for watching, everyone, and taking the time out to talk about VistaPrint. Please do subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you guys in the next video. So eat, sleep, photography, repeat. Peace.